Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to delete your Nike account. Let's assume you're logged into your Nike account. If not, log into it. In your Nike homepage interface, you can see a three-lined option on the right upper corner. You have to tap on it. After that, you can see a menu sliding in and you can see your name besides hi in the first option. You have to tap on it. After that, you will be on your profile information page and you have to tap on account settings, which is the second last option. It might take a while to load, then you'll be redirected to this page and you have to tap on account details, which is the first option. We're almost done at this moment and you can see your account details in this page. Then you can see delete as the last option in the bottom of your page. You'll have to tap on it. After tapping, a menu like this will pop up on your screen and you have to slide down and tap on the box besides yes, I want to delete my Nike account and I cannot undo this action. This is just Nike confirming that you want to really delete your account. Then you'll have to tap on delete your account, which is on the bottom of your screen. After tapping, your account will be deleted and you cannot undo the action. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.